welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, I'd love to have you stick around. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Like the video. If you like it, leave me a nice comment down below. All that stuff really helps out engagement on my channel. On to the video. So for today's video, we're going to do a Stitch Fix unboxing. I had to go in and kind of switch up some of my sizes. Also, P.S. It's a Monday morning and we're doing this unboxing in my PJs because we're all family here, right? So if you don't know, Stitch Fix is like a little subscription service. You can go in, put in your sizes, and your stylist will send you some things. My stylist was Kate or Katie, I'm not sure. But they also send you a little paper that says thanks for letting us style you. And apparently this is my 14th box that I've gotten over like a couple of years. I think if you go back on my channel, I've gotten some other boxes on here. I'm not really going to read the letter because I want to be surprised at what's in my fix. So here it comes. It just comes like wrapped in this. Ooh, I like this color. I don't know what's going on here. But let's unwrap it and see what's going on. First is this blue stripy color. This is Market and Spruce. I think Market and Spruce is like their brand. Okay, it's just like a long dress, a long sleeve dress. This might be pretty for fall with some boots. Let's see, Market and Spruce navy. Tiered dress, $65. Okay, so we'll start with this little Market and Spruce dress that they sent me. I think it's cute. I think it fits well. The sleeves are doing something kind of weird down here. It's kind of like, it's not exactly 3/4 sleeves. It does have like elastic, so I don't know if I should like pull them up because when I move my arms, they're gonna go up anyway. I don't know. And I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can kind of tell. It's got like a stripy pattern, a kind of a pretty little detail up here. I don't know, you guys. I think it's cute. It's got like a little seam here. It does have pockets. It is lined too. I don't know. I think it's cute. I'm just struggling with the fact, do I need another dress? Some sort of an orange. Okay, this is cute too. This is like a little racerback tank top. I do like the color of it. I don't know what brand this is. Infinity? Oh, Free People. Okay, let me find it here on my note. Infinity by Free People. Haley racerback tank in burnt orange. It's $28. Okay, we'll give it a go. Cute. What's this? Another dress. Skies Are Blue is the brand. No! Okay. This is like a little, like vest, like linen-y material vest. This is cute. I have been looking at some of these. I've been looking at like denim ones because I'm in my Western era, apparently. I think it's because I've got some country concerts coming up and a little sneaky trip to Nash Vegas, and so I don't know, I want all the cowgirl boots, hats, and anything denim, but this is cute. Let's see, Skies Are Blue peplum blazer vest, $58. Okay, I will say I feel like their prices have gotten better because I feel like in the past I've gotten some pretty like spendy things. What is this? A little skirt, another Market and Spruce. Is this a skirt or a skirt? This is a skirt. I'm not a huge fan of skirts, but we'll try it on. Market and Spruce. Smocked, high-waisted above the knee skirt. The color is olive and it's $49. It's kind of this like crinkly material. Again, we'll try it on. I think I've had these pants in the past. These are excellent teaching pants. They're just kind of a wide leg mustard color pant. Well, it says gold here. Studio blue high-rise wide leg pant, $69. Cute. Okay, let's try these things on. I had high hopes for this outfit, but clearly this isn't it. I feel like this skirt doesn't fit properly. I'd like it to be a little bit shorter. I actually folded it over and it looked better. It was a little bit shorter and it looked better. I just don't know, like, what do I do with this waistband? I'm so short-waisted, like, it comes right up under my chest. I don't know. The fit is just off. The tiers, I think, are making me seem dumpier than what I am. Alright, I decided to pair the same top with the pants because the skirt was not it for me. I love these pants. I know I would. I kind of have them in like a plum color. And honestly, I like them with the top. And I feel like you could make this like business casual if you throw in a little blazer over top of it. And some little booties. I don't know. The pants are cute. I like them. Okay, let me... You guys, this Stitch Fix is good. With the exception of the skirt, this little top. I'm not sure I would necessarily wear it with these pants. I'm picturing it with like some blue jeans and again some boots or some booties. It's kind of that like vest kind of top. My only concern is it's like pulling right here at my chest. I don't know if I would wear a different bra, if that would make a difference. But I just think like this top is really flattering. Again, I don't know if I would wear it necessarily with these pants. I could wear it with jeans. I could wear it over a dress. I think it would look really pretty. I don't know, you guys. Ugh, all the tags on these pants. I can't get my hand in the pockets. I don't know, you guys. Okay, now that you've seen me try everything on, I'm going to read the little note here. She says, the Market in Spruce, my note from Katie, my stylist, or Kate. Sorry, girl. She says, the Market in Spruce dress is a beautiful new arrival. The skirt is a good pop of color that will transition into fall, and she was correct. That's a good, like, fall skirt. The Studio Blue wide leg pants are a fun way to play with silhouettes and pair effortlessly with that tank, and I think they do. That's a good color combo for fall, but the tank is kind of like sleeveless, so it works now because it's still kind of warm. Let me know which pieces you're loving, and if there's anything you'd like to see next. Your feedback helps me get even closer to your style. And so my total with everything. Now, they do give you some discounts. Hold on. Math professor, I am not. So my subtotal is $201.75, and they're going to deduct, I pay a $20 styling fee. So minus that $20 styling fee, and then shipping was free. So if I kept all 5 pieces, it would be $181.75. So that's that. Thanks for watching. You've made it to the end of the video. I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.